Hi, my name is Dan Hopman, and I'm one of your instructional coaches in the Palmdale School District. And we're going to take a look at how you can create a website using Canva. Now, for the most part, we really don't want a whole bunch of websites out there. But if you're looking for something as like a landing page for your students to get some type of quick work or something like that, Canva is perfect for that. And you can do that from any type of page. And so I'm going to do that from a presentation. So I'm going to go ahead and create a design in Canva, and I'm actually going to do it as a presentation 16 by 9. And I'm not even going to worry about using a design. I'm just going to use this page right here. So let's say that I want to create a web page for students to be able to go and find out more information about a book or a series of books. So I'm going to go ahead and we'll add some text to this. Maybe we'll call this one Lord of there we go. The Flies, and we'll ungroup that and make that work. There we go. And I'm going to go ahead and group those back together. We'll just say that that's what we're going to do it on, and we'll make it all black just so that way we can make it easy. And let's say that I want the students to go to a website and read about Lord of the Flies, just a summary to see if they're interested. So I went to goodreads.com, and I'm going to come here under title, Lord of the Flies, and I just want to click on it and get the synopsis. So I'm going to click on it. Here's the synopsis of the book itself. They can also see that there are some ratings in there. You can see a little bit more about William Golding, the author, and they can come in and they can see the reviews. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to create a QR code from this. So I'm going to come back down here to cast, save, and share. And at the very bottom, you'll see create QR code. And I'm going to copy that. And when I come back over here to Canva, I'm going to paste that in. There's the QR code. I'm going to make that nice and big, or I can actually make it smaller if I want to. And I'm also going to copy the cover of the book. There we go. And so now I can move this here. I can move this up here and make that nice and big. There we go. So there's my first page. And again, I can decorate this page as I see fit, but I'm not going to go too far. I'm going to hit the plus button, and now I have a new page. Let's make this new book Wrinkle in Time. And we're going to make that a little bit bigger. Maybe this is the next book. I'll come back here to Goodreads. Wrinkle in Time. That's the book. I'm going to use this one right here. So again, this is the graphic novel. We won't use the graphic novel. Why don't we just use I guess we'll use the Disney version of the cover, and that's okay. So now again, 3 dots, cast, save, and share. I'm going to copy that QR code, come back in here, nope, that's Lord of the Flies. We don't want Lord of the Flies. Let's try that again. Copy image. There we go. Make that nice and big. And then let's make that QR code again, cast, save, and share. Copy. And then we can come back here and paste. And I can keep doing this for all the books I want, maybe 4 or 5 pages. It's completely up to you. And when I'm done, now I can share this as a web page. Notice it does not say web page here. I'm going to say see all website. And I'm actually going to give this a name. Let me get rid of the Lord of. And we'll call this, notice it already has my name there. If it does not have your name there, you can play around with it and you can edit that. Let me come back here. Advanced settings. So you might want to just put your last name on there. I'm going to call this, instead of Lord of, I'm going to say, come on now, there we go, book study. And then make sure I have everything here. You can write a description under advanced, password protect it. You can make it search engine visible. I do not. And you can do a link preview. I have that turned on. So that way when you paste it in somewhere, it'll go where you want it to, and they'll be able to see this. So when you're done, publish to the website. It's going to prepare the design. There we go. And now I have this link right here. I'm going to copy it. And now when I come back into Chrome, I'm going to paste it on in, just so you can see what the website looks like. And it looks like just like a presentation. Students can scan the QR code with their phones or their Chromebooks, and they're good to go. But what do I do with it now? Let's take a look at Classroom. So I'm going to go into Google Classroom, and I'm going to come into my test class, and I'm going to create under classwork a topic. Sorry, not a topic. I'm going to create material, and I'm going to say this is a book club, or you can say book review, or however you want to say it. Use the QR codes to learn more about the books. And so you can actually have these running in your classroom. I'm going to paste that in. The link's running. Now, see, there's that screenshot we were talking about. And now I'm going to share this with all my students. They'll all get it. And now I can post. And now the students have access to that website. Now, that is one way. Another way is I could have just taken that information from the from Goodreads and just pasted it in here as well. I could have done that. If you want to edit your website, you can do that here by edit the designs. Now I can come here and I can go back to Goodreads, and let me go back to, we'll go back to reading to Lord of the Flies. And I could just take this, copy that. So now on Lord of the Flies, instead of the QR code, I could just do this, make it nice and sizable. There we go. And so now they've got the synopsis, the title, and what the book looks like. So then when I go to share, there's the website. I'm going to republish the website. And now when I view the website, now you see it's changed. There's Lord of the Flies, and I still have the QR code for Wrinkle in Time. So you can share this out to your students. You can put it up on a monitor like a Promethean and let it run through. It's completely up to you. You have that ability, but publishing a website is pretty easy, but a great way to get your kids involved with their work. As usual, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We'd be more than happy to help you out. Have a great day.